और अच्छा Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Please
Good
write your
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Please write your name
Good
for
morning,
the
ma'am.
attendance. Good morning.
Good morning,
Who
ma'am.
is HR? HR. HR. Who is HR with the name HR?
Ma'am Ambika. Good
Ambika.
morning, ma'am.
Ambika is with HR.
Come on. Abdullah.
Who is joined with the name HR?
क्या हुआ?
Please write the name.
क्या हुआ? आरती.
Stop and please kindly mute yourself and keep your cameras
Good
on.
morning,
Keep your cameras on.
Abdullah.
Kindly mute yourself. Mute yourself. Please mute yourself, otherwise I have to mute you.
Good
Mute.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Say with your actions. I am writing names for attendance. Please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Prahashita, I am writing the names. Kindly switch off your mics so that you can hear your names. B Shrenika, fifth A, B Shrenika. Fiona, G Shrenika. Ambika. I am writing the names for attendance. Then I will tell you the names. You can tell me if your name is not there. Uddeshri, Kaveri, Uddeshri, Kaveri, Deepa, Deepa, Jyoti Rani. Jyoti Rani is Akshaya.
Ma'am Arushi.
Arushi. Yes, I will tell you the name. Nayak.
Ma'am Ambika is present, ma'am.
Ambika, written your name. Nayak, Reshma. Vishishta, don't write. Don't chat, Vishishta and Tejas. No chatting. Akshara. No chatting, please.
I didn't chat a single word.
No chatting. Both of you. No. Last warning. No chatting. Kirtan.
क्या हुआ?
Tejas.
क्या हुआ अब्दुल्ला?
Don't talk. Switch off your mics. Don't talk. Nivas. Sana. Sanashri. Nivas. Sanashri. Likhitej. Sanishka. Sanishka. Likhitej. Tarun Cherry. Tarun Cherry. Tarun. Tarun, can you hear me? Tarun Cherry.
क्या हुआ रे भाई?
Don't talk. Do you have textbooks? Do you have all subjects textbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
मैम मेरे पास भी है मैम.
Yes, only I will ask from Arushi. Arushi.
मैम मतलब ऑल इन वन.
Manu. Prashita. Harushi. Harushi. Manu. Vishishta.
और अब्दुल्ला.
Don't speak the names. No, nobody will chat. Okay. Karanya. Yuva. Let others join. They will join in some time. Hi, Sampath. Okay, I'm telling the names of those who have joined till now. Okay, if your name is not there, you can just write it in the chat box. Okay, write your name in the.
Abdullah is present.
I know. I'll take the name. Okay. Fifth A. Please listen to your names. If I will not take your name, you can tell me. Okay. Fifth A. Navneet, Vibha, B. Shrinika, Fiona, G. Shrinika, Akshaya, Reshma, Akshara, Tejasveer, Likhitej, Praharshita, Vishishta. Okay. Next from fifth B, Aman, Ambika, Uddeshri, Kaveri, Deepa, Nayak, Abdullah, Kirtana, Nivas, Sanashri, Sunishka, Tarun, Arushi, Manu, Yuva, Sai Sampath. Okay. These are only these have joined. Don't laugh. Why are you laughing? Okay, Hashmita.
Mr. Savitrita Vikrana.
Taran has not joined. Okay. Aman, what happened? Don't laugh. Shanmukh. So today we will have our EVS class. Okay, we will. Last session we did about what did we?
Coronavirus.
Yes, coronavirus. Very good. So today we will continue with that. Sanvi. Sanvi Prasad.
मैम आज क्या है मैम ईवीएस में?
That topic I will show you and you will tell me. I will show you the picture of that. I will show you the picture and then from after looking.
COVID-19.
Sorry.
I have seen the picture of COVID-19.
I know this is the. Everyone has seen the. I know. I'll show you one picture. Then you will tell me what is the topic for today. Arushi, I'm good. I'm fine. How are you? Good morning, everyone. You can write in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have guide.
Sana is here. Sanashri. Sanashri. I think she joined in.
Okay, ma'am.
Likhitej. Let's let others come. We have 3 minutes for our class. After 3 minutes, we will be starting. Please switch off your mics and switch on your camera. Switch on your camera and switch off your mics.
मैम आपको वॉइस नहीं आ रहा?
अपना माइक बंद रखें और कैमरा. Who is Ranjit? Name Ranjit Nayak. With Ranjit Nayak. Ranjit Nayak.
LVCC नायक.
मैम Ranjit Nayak.
मैम के हश्मिता. Seats and seats मैम आज.
Okay, K Hashmita. Okay. Trinesh.
Yes मैम. आज seats and seats है क्या मैम?
Trinesh.
मैम आज seats और seat है क्या?
We have 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will be starting our class. Okay. Trinesh.
Good morning मैम.
Good morning. Good morning. I hope all of you are completing your homework and only less students are sending me. Please send your homework. I will give you the date now. You are not sending by your own. You are not sending me the work. Now I will give you one date. On that date you have to give me. I'll ask roll number wise now. Nobody is sending me the homework. Some students are sending and some are not sending. Kindly send your work.
Good morning ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning everyone.
Ma'am sending.
Some are sending. Sanvi is sending. Sanvi.
Listen your voice ma'am.
Please check that network connection that side because I can hear you. Sanvi is sending, and some students are sending. Fiona is sending. So please send your work. And if you have doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am, I'm unable to listen your voice.
Please check your headphones because I can listen you and others can listen me. Check that side whether your earphones or headphones are in working condition or not. Please check that side, okay? Good morning, Nitish present, yes.
Unable to listen your voice.
Nitish is present. Rakshita, Trinesh, Likitej, yes, Likitej, I have marked your attendance. Likitej is present, I have marked. Sujita, Sujita. Arushi, stop presenting. Sanashri is present. Sanashri, Sanashri. Arushi, stop presenting. Arushi, stop presenting.
Ma'am.
Presenting.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, सबका voice.
Don't present. Good morning and please switch off your mics. Switch off your mics. Good morning and write good morning in the chat box. Dinesh has joined.
Ma'am, Arushi is presenting again.
Arushi, don't present. Arushi, don't touch that button. Don't present. Aman, switch off your mics. Sanashri, can you listen to me? Do you have textbooks or Sanashri, do you have textbooks? All subjects?
Yes, ma'am. No.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, look at this, ma'am. Ma'am, I have all textbooks also.
I'm asking one. I'll ask one by one. I have data with me, but some students have not replied yesterday in the group. So that's why I'm asking them whether they have or not.
Ma'am, I have a new textbook, new books, ma'am.
Tarun is also having.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have textbooks and notebooks both, ma'am.
Very good. Those who are having. Be Harshita.
I also, ma'am.
Be Harshita. Okay. They will join side by side. Now let's start with our class. Okay. Ambika, stop presenting. Ambika, stop presenting. Stop your presentation. You can't listen. Stop presenting. Yes. Okay. Now let's start with our class. We done. Now first of all, mute yourself. I will ask some questions. Then we will continue forward. Okay. Let me take the question session first. Let me see how many of you are studying, actually studying and doing the work. So mute yourself first. Ishan. Okay. So mute yourself. So my first question is, listen to me carefully. Mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Don't say yes or okay. You can write in the chat box. Don't say yes, okay. Oh, muting. So, first question about last session we did on coronavirus, right? Coronavirus. So, you have to tell me the symptoms, common symptoms of coronavirus. One by one, nobody will switch on the mics. I will take the name. Okay. Fifth B. Tarun Cherry. Fifth B. Where is he? Is he not here? He joined any?
Not, ma'am. Fever, ma'am. Fever.
Okay, Nivas is telling fever. Okay, fever is a symptom. Rest other symptoms. Siddharth has joined.
Ma'am, general body aches.
General body aches. Very good.
Cold, ma'am.
Cold,
Dry cough.
dry cough, cold, general body aches. Very good. Symptom is the
Dry cough, ma'am.
when you get a disease, you get initial indications. Okay, wait. Let me tell you. Dinesh is asking what is good. What are symptoms? What do you mean by symptoms? When you suffer from a disease, you
fever.
yes, cough,
Is
fever. You get some indications like that are symptoms. Okay, if you are suffering from uh, cough or cold, you can say that you can have fever also. Okay, so symptoms are of a disease. Okay, particular disease, you have some indications to get whether this disease is there or not. Okay, next Arushi is having doubt. Yes, Arushi, what you can ask your doubt.
Ma'am,
First of all, mute
what
yourself.
is the meaning of symptoms?
That only I told you. Symptom means when you have one disease or any problem, you get indications from your body. Your body gives you some indications so that you can judge whether you are suffering from disease or not. Okay. For example, for coronavirus, how can you find out that you are suffering from coronavirus or not? You will get small indications like dry cough, like fever, dry cough, diarrhea, acidity,
Problem.
gastric problems. Yes, out after seeing these indications, you will go to the doctor and you will tell these that I am having these indications in my body. So test me whether I am positive or not. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is called symptom. Symptom means indications given by your body for a particular disease. Okay, that are indications. From that indications, you judge whether you are suffering from the disease or not. Okay. So Siddharth is here. Siddharth. Ishant, don't present. Siddharth. He said good morning. I have marked his attendance. Siddharth, do you have textbooks? All the textbooks?
No, ma'am, I don't have a textbook.
Siddharth, you don't have textbooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, those who don't have,
Presented, ma'am.
yes, Siddharth, if you don't have, please, those who are not having textbooks, either one subject or two subjects, kindly buy it or you can download it from the Google. You can search the Google, you will get the textbook in the net only. Okay, search the internet, you will get the textbooks. Kindly download your textbooks today only. Somebody said, Brunda said she don't have Hindi textbook and Swatika said,
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
please don't, please mute. First of all, mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have guide. Ma'am, I don't have textbooks, ma'am.
Those who don't have,
Ma'am, I have guide.
textbooks, kindly buy it or you can download it from the internet. Download it from the internet. NCERT textbooks, you can download it from internet. Okay? Use the web.
Ma'am, can you send? Ma'am.
I will send you the name of the books. Listen, first of all, listen to me. Fifth AB, I will send you the name of the books. You can search the name of the books on the internet and then you can get the book there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now please mute yourself. 5, 4, 3. Those who don't have one subject textbook, kindly download it from the internet. I will give you the name of the book, search it and then you can download it. Okay? Otherwise you can get it from the market also, but you can, if you don't have to go out, so you can download it from the internet and you can study. Okay? Kindly mute now. Mute yourself. Yes. So now my second question. First was symptoms. What are the symptoms of coronavirus that you have told me? Okay. Next question. Don't.
Fever.
It's over. Okay. Fever, dry cough. These are symptoms. Okay. How does? Please let me ask, how do you come to know? How does coronavirus spread from one person to another? Okay, this will be told by fifth.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, by touching.
By
by air.
by
Ma'am, by touching.
by touching, by coming in contact with the persons. Okay, you are
By
when you
also.
come in contact with a, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please. When you come in contact with a person who is infected, who is having cough or who sneezes, you get the droplets on the surface. They release the droplets, okay, and that if you touch that surface or you come in contact with that surface, you get infected by a virus,
I
okay.
have one doubt, ma'am.
Who is having
I
doubt?
have one doubt.
Who,
Ma'am, what is public?
droplets
ma'am.
means
That is
droplets means small that comes out, saliva droplets. When you
ma'am.
talk, some of the droplets of saliva comes out, right? Sometimes
Yes, ma'am.
that are droplets, small drops, that are droplets, okay. Now
Yes,
I will show you one picture for today's topic, okay. You will tell me what is the topic of today, okay. I am presenting, nobody will present in between, it will stop the presentation, nobody will present in between, okay. Please mute yourself, mute, don't. I am sharing my screen, I will show you the picture, then you have to tell me.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, you send it వేడినీళ్ళు పోసి అందులో నిమ్మకాయ వెండి ఉప్పాయి
okay, this is my screen to you. I am showing you one picture. Yes, what does this picture say to you? What is this?
is password. What is
Social distancing. Social.
social distancing?
So what do you mean by so, please, what do you mean by social distancing? Social distancing,
Social distancing.
what do you, okay, first of all mute yourself, I will ask one by one. Mute yourself, I will ask one by one. 5 4, mute yourself, I will take the name and I'll ask, that child will unmute. No voice should come from the back. Mute yourself, somebody's mic is on right now also. Okay, so this is the picture of social distancing. So what do you mean by social distancing? From 5th A, Vishishta, can you hear me? Please switch on your mic and tell me what do you mean by social distancing.
Ma'am, it means that giving space between other people.
Giving space between other people, maintaining a distance, okay. Who is Parmeshwari Bai? Join now.
Don't know, ma'am.
Write your name, I think. Okay, giving a space between persons, okay, very good. Anything, any other definition? Okay, good, Vishishta. From 5th B, wait, 5th B, Yuva is here. Yuva, can you hear me? 5th B, I think he is not here, okay.
Ma'am, I can.
Oh, okay, who wants to tell 5th B? Tell the name from 5th B. Who is telling
Ma'am,
the name? Arushi, tell. Okay, Arushi is telling. Arushi, tell me, what is social distancing? Vishishta told giving space between the persons. Okay, what do you think about this? Social distancing.
your voice is breaking.
Tell me, what do you understand by social distancing? Please check your network connectivity that side. I can hear you very clearly.
Now it is
We have
nice.
to maintain distance.
Men-
Ma'am,
We have to
social
make
distance
distance person to
from
person.
each other.
yes, very good. Very good. When you go out, you would have
breaking.
when you go out, you have to maintain a distance that is called social distancing. Social distancing, as the word is there, it means distance from society, from the people of that are not known to you, that are not known to you, from them you have to. Please stop talking. Let me show you the picture. Wait.
Ma'am, keep extra space with another person.
Yes. See, social distancing. Okay. So who is presenting? I already told you, don't present every time you are presenting. Don't present in between. It will stop the presentation. Don't touch that option there. So today's topic is, what is today's topic? Today's topic is social
Social distance.
distancing. As you know, we are in the condition of COVID-19. We have one of the major thing to do is social distancing. What is social distance? Maintaining a particular gap. It is a gap between people.
Ma'am, keep extra space with another person.
Yes. So minimum distance you have to follow is 6 feet. Okay. 6 feet distance from the person. Okay. What is the now tell me, what is the benefit of social distancing? Social distancing, as you said, it is the distance between the person that you don't know. And why at this point of time, why it is important to maintain social distancing? Praharshita, Praharshita will tell. Praharshita, tell me what is the importance of social distancing?
Ma'am, social distancing will help us to not spread any virus from us because the virus is in our body and it can
Yes.
spread.
Yes,
By
yes.
social distancing, we can prevent that spreading.
Yes, very good. By social distancing, as you know, there is no vaccine, there is no vaccine and any medicine for this virus. Till now, scientists have not made any vaccine. They are finding out the vaccine for this. Okay, so what is the important thing? How can we prevent from spreading? Is the one important thing is social distance. So social distance will give you one chance. It is an opportunity to protect yourself from others and this virus.
Visible.
Sorry, not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, let me. I am presenting again. Don't present, please. Don't present in between. How many times we have to say this? Don't present in between. So this is social distancing. Now, why it is important? As Prashita told, very good. This is the only medium by which we can prevent, we can protect ourselves. Absence of vaccine. We have absence of vaccine. When vaccine will come, you will have a medicine for this, then you can get a treatment, but till now we don't have any treatment for this. So one important thing is social distancing, distance between the people. And what is the minimum distance? Minimum distance is
4 feet.
6 feet, 2 meters. Somebody is coming, Manisha. Okay, so minimum distance is 6 feet.
Ma'am, and we have to wash 20-30 seconds.
Now, how can I by social distancing? How can I protect myself? Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. 20 seconds you have to give for washing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth with unwashed hands. When after washing, only touch your mouth and eyes. Avoid contact with people who are sick. Those who are sick, you have to avoid contact with them. Now this was about social distancing. Now I will show you one I'll show you one video of this. Okay, nobody will talk. Please switch off your mics. Social distancing. I'll show you one site here. This is one Google. This site you can see CDC, Centers for Disease. Please stop talking. Is it visible? 5th ANB? Yes. So see,
Yes.
this is the way. If you want to get any information about COVID-19, this is very important site. CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. See this site, CDC. If you want.
What is CDC?
CDC is the name given here. See, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Okay, this was the site which is made for prevention of corona. You can get the all the information that is here. You can get from this site. This is the official site, you can say, or that site which gives you all the information about COVID-19, how to protect yourself, what is social distancing. Now you can see here, social distancing, also called physical distancing, means keeping a safe space between yourself and other people who are not from your household. Okay, now I will show you one picture, video here. See this video, I'll make it big. Okay, can you see the video?
Yes, ma'am.
I am resuming it again from the back. Okay, see this video here. No voice is there, just see the clip parts. First picture, see, when you are inside your home, when someone has maintained a distance that is 6 feet. Now outside your home, your distance should be
Ma'am, I can't hear, ma'am.
6 feet. Okay, see here now. You have seen the video. Inside your home, when someone has or thinks they have COVID-19, if you think in your home someone is infected by coronavirus, so you have to maintain a distance of 6 feet. Wear mask. Can you see? They are wearing the mask. Okay, 6 feet distance. Outside your home, when you go out at public places, stay at 6 feet away from people outside of your household in indoor and outdoor spaces. Stay out of crowded places if possible. See, when you go out, you have to maintain a distance that is 6 feet. Okay? So this was about social distancing, one video. Now why should we practice social distancing? Now next topic is why practice social distancing. Why it is important? Because as already told, there is no vaccine. Till now we don't have any vaccine for this. So this is the only medium to protect yourself from this virus. So social distancing is important. If you will play your part, if you will be aware, if you will maintain a distance, other will also maintain a distance from it. Okay, this was social distancing, why it is important. Am I clear till here? 5th B.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there are some tips for social distancing. How, when you go out, what are the important tips you can remember? First is know before. See, can you see these black headings? Black one. 5th A, these black headings. Know before you go. Before going out, know and follow the guidance from local public health authorities where you live. Wherever you go, you should know where you are going. Okay. Suppose if you are leaving the city, you are going from one city to another city, you should know the guidelines of that city. Okay. How you have to travel. You should know how you can travel and what is the rules and regulations in that city. You have to talk there. Okay. Second is prepare for transportation. You should have proper transportation. Okay. When you go out, you should have proper transportation. Third, limit contact when running errands. When you are going out, please limit contact with other persons. Don't give a 6 feet distance between the people. Okay. Next is choose safe social activities. Your activities when you go out, you should choose that activities that cannot harm you. Okay, you can don't you can use video chat if you want to talk to your family or relatives. Instead of going there and talking, you can do a video chat. Okay, you can call them by sitting at your home. If you are missing your friends, if you are missing your school friends, your classmates, you can call them up and talk to them. Okay, so you should choose safe social activities. Keep distance at events and gatherings. When you go for a party,
In Russia.
sorry, sorry.
Ma'am, there are vaccines in Russia.
Yes. This is all in one. Russia has made one vaccine, but that has to be tested whether it will be good or whether it will work or not. Okay. So till now they are just experimenting till now with the vaccine. One they have made the vaccine. Now, who is this JK Narsimlu who has joined now? Okay, so am I clear till here? Social distancing. Now next thing is one. I'll give you one work. Health guide. Okay. Now what is health guide? Can you tell me what is health guide?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now I will show you one more thing. I will show you one more thing. This is hygiene guide. Now our next topic is hygiene guide. How can you have a good hygiene at home? During this time period, you should practice proper hygiene. You should have a schedule that what you have to do and what not. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll open with that Microsoft. Okay. I'll open with this.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you homework related to this hygiene guide. Okay. So listen here very clearly. See the picture clearly and understand it. Then I'll give you the homework of this. Okay. Health. This is your hygiene guide. Hygiene, I'll tell you. First word is hygiene. Tell me. Okay. This is your. What do you mean by hygiene? Can anyone tell me what is hygiene?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, hygiene means of being clean and tidy.
Yes, very good. Who told this? Who told this? Praharshita, very good. Hygiene means to practice good and safe habits. Very nice. Good and safe habits related to cleaning. Good and safe habits related to cleaning. Cleaning or either using washrooms or kitchen. Hygiene means practicing good habits.
Ma'am, shall I write?
When you were small in first or second class, your teachers tell you na this is good habit, this is bad habit. Okay, you have learned so many things about good and bad habits. First good habit you would have learned wash your hands with before eating, wash your hands. After eating, wash your hands. Brush your teeth daily. All these habits you know na, you have learned these habits in your home, right? So this is hygiene. Hygiene means when you prefer good habits. Hygiene means when you are practicing good habits and safe habits. That should be safe also. So now what do you mean by hygiene guide? Our next thing is hygiene guide. What do you mean by guide now? Guide means you have guides for your books, right? You have text. Don't you? Those who don't have textbooks, you have guides, right?
Ma'am.
What do you get in the guides? You get information, right?
Answers and
Answers and information. Very good. So now you have to prepare your own hygiene guide. What you will follow during COVID-19? What you will follow? What kind of habits you will prefer at your home? Please
Ma'am,
switch off it. Please switch off your mics. Switch off your mics.
think
Ma'am, I can't
we
see
we
screen.
wash our hands.
Washing hands. Yes, very good. Hygiene guide is you have to make your own hygiene guide. You have to write in a notebook your hygiene
We
habits.
clean the bathroom with Dettol, ma'am.
Yes, cleaning the washroom with Dettol, Savlon, hand washing, all these. See, there are some example here.
Dettol hand wash.
See here, see here. Here are some information. Ensure the person. See now. Okay, very good. I will give you this homework. Listen, I'm telling you the homework right now. I'm telling you the homework right now. You have to write 5 to 7 points of hygiene guide in your EVS notebook. Okay, what will you prefer during COVID-19? Which habits you will follow?
Guide means.
Guide means some tips.
Ma'am, guide means.
Guide means some tips for COVID-19. Okay.
Ma'am, wash hands.
Okay. So now you can see here. Here are some. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, I have to mute you. When I will ask a question, then only you will unmute. Who is? One voice is coming. I think somebody's mic is switch on. Yes. Now it's okay. Your hygiene guide. What will be the first point in your hygiene guide? Use alcohol-based sanitizers. Second, wash your hands frequently. Use mask and gloves when you go out. If you come in, if you have an infected person at your home, maintain 6 feet distance. Keep them isolated. All these are your hygiene tips, hygiene guide. Keep them at a proper place and isolate them. Give them a separate room. Okay. Next, what will you prefer? What will you do? Fifth B. Okay, who will tell me fifth B? Jazel is here. Jazel. Aman.
Yes, ma'am.
Aman.
Ma'am.
Aman, tell me what will you do during COVID-19? What things you will keep in mind at your home? Tell me. Don't know? Aman.
Yes.
What will you do? Okay, if you don't know, see here the picture now. This picture will give you idea what you have to write. Okay. First, if you have a infected person at your home, ensure the ill person rest, drink plenty of fluids and eat nutritious food. Okay, wash your hands properly, have a good food, good hygiene.
By isolate, ma'am.
Frequent clean hand with soap and water, alcohol based. After any type of contact with ill person, clean the surroundings.
Ma'am.
Okay, yes, any doubt?
Ma'am, what is meant? What is the meaning of isolate, ma'am?
Sorry?
Ma'am, what is meant by isolate?
Isolated means keep the person who is infected with the virus, you have to keep them alone in a room. Isolate means alone. To live alone in a separate room. Okay. I can tell you, listen. I can tell you my experience when you know there was holidays, summer holidays from 1st May to 19 June, right? From 1st May to 19 June there were holidays, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you remember? Do you remember your holidays?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You were having summer. You were having summer holidays from 1st May to 19 June. Okay. During that holidays, listen. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Listen. What do you mean by isolated? I am telling you isolated meaning. I will give you example. Listen carefully. Nobody will speak now. See again you are unmuting. I am muting you and then you unmute. Sanashri, mute yourself. Shweta, mute yourself. Mute yourself, voice is coming. Okay, so do you mean by isolated is, you were having holidays from 1st May to 19 June. During that time, I went to my home. I am not from Hyderabad, okay? I am from Haryana. So during that holidays, I went to my hometown. I went to my home to see my parents and my brother and all sisters, cousins. Okay, I went to my home. But during that time, we had a guideline that you have to live 14 days quarantine. You have heard the word quarantine? You have to be quarantined
Yes,
for
ma'am.
14 days. So quarantine means isolation. I was living for I was
Ma'am, my father came in London.
from London. Yes.
In,
So he was isolated.
he went for
He was
quarantine, ma'am, for
yes.
14 days, ma'am.
Yes, this isolation means to live in a separate place alone. That is same for quarantine. Both the words are same.
Corona.
So I was also quarantined for 14 days alone in a room. I was living alone in a room, practicing good hygiene guide. During that time, it is very important that you have to practice hygiene guide. Okay, you have to wear mask when somebody comes to you while talking. You have to wash your hands frequently. You have to eat good foods. Now our next topic will be about food only. Okay, so now I will show you one picture of food, things you should eat during this COVID-19 which will give you immunity. What is immunity? Strength to your body. Okay, now I will show you the picture of food that can boost up your immunity, and which food you should avoid, that also we will study. Okay, this is our last topic for today, then our class will be over. Okay, just I am showing you the picture. Hygiene guide is over now. Foods, here are the foods.
Ma'am, you told you will tell English answers.
I'll give you today that answers I have written here. I'll give you today. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so see here,
Okay, ma'am.
what are the things that boost up your immunity? 8 immune boosting system you should take during COVID-19. During COVID-19, you should eat these foods. First is oats, sweet potatoes, ginger, garlic. You can use ginger, garlic in vegetables. While making any vegetable, you can make.
Ma'am, we drink ginger water.
Yes, ginger water. Very good. Ginger water. You can make ginger water. You can use honey.
Ma'am, daily drink tulsi leaves and ginger.
Yes, very good. You all are, I know you all are very intelligent. You are already doing all these things, right? Green tea, turmeric. You can use turmeric in your food. Turmeric is, what is turmeric? Turmeric is haldi. Haldi. Okay. Broccoli, citrus fruits. These are the things that you can eat during COVID-19. Green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, okay, tell me, what do you mean by citrus fruits?
Broccoli. No water.
Orange.
What do you mean by citrus fruits? Why do we eat citrus fruits? Tell me, tell me the names of some fruits that are citrus. Orange, lemon, very good. Lemon. Yes.
Dry fruits. Ma'am, dry fruits.
Dry fruits. Yes.
Badam.
Badam. Okay, tell me. Lemon. Green chilies. Green chilies.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the gooseberry, ma'am?
Sorry, what are you saying?
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. I am asking citrus fruits. Citrus, you can have amla. Oranges. Yes. Sorry. Fifth A and B. What are you saying? Let me show you another picture.
Ma'am,
Okay, let me show you one more picture here. 8 immunities. One more I have. See here. Can you see this picture now?
yes, ma'am.
See, for the first is citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are orange, lemon, grapefruit, green chilies. Okay, dry fruit, vegetable. Next is vegetables: turmeric, ginger, garlic, yogurt, berries, wheatgrass, pumpkin seeds, pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Please stop talking. Pineapple, papaya. You should eat all these things: pineapple, papaya, kiwi. Yes, yes. Ask your doubts. Sorry. I'm not your voice. Okay, now I'm
Ma'am, in this time you should drink melon.
okay. Now this was all about today's. First we studied about.
Is over, ma'am.
Now I will send you homework in WhatsApp group. Okay, class is over for now. Your homework will be given in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can leave the class one by one. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Homework will be given to you. Bye. Bye 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 bye. Homework will be given to you in the.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my father went.
Who is saying? Wait one by one. Yes. Who is telling me?
Ma'am, please, ma'am.
B Shrinika. Yes, B Shrinika. G Shrinika. G Shrinika. हाँ G Shrinika ना.
Ma'am, my father went to Haryana 2 times, ma'am.
He went to where? In Haryana. Where? Which city?
Hisar Sonipat, ma'am.
Hisar. Okay. So
And Sonipat, ma'am.
he was when he came back. He was isolated, quarantined when he came back, or it was
6
okay.
months back, ma'am.
6 months.
On 6 months back, ma'am.
Okay, 6 months ago he was there. Okay. Good.
In this time,
You have examples at your home. Very nice. During this time, you can do very creative things. You are at home. Homework will be sent to you in your WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll give you the homework in WhatsApp group.
time we should
Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Others can leave. Okay.
ma'am, in this time we should drink kadha. Hi, ma'am.
Kada, yes, you should drink kada. Very nice. I'll give you this homework. You will write your own food that you should eat during this time. Okay, you will write and tell me. This will be the homework I'll give you in WhatsApp group. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, you can leave one by one. If you have doubt, you can ask.
Ma'am, I'm Likita's sister.
Yes, Likit. Yes.
He is not writing anything. He's saying why I should listen the class.
No. Likit, is he listening? Likitej?
Yes, ma'am.
Likitej, you have to listen. You have to attend classes, and you have to do the work. We will check. We will ask you roll number wise. I'll give you the date, and you have to submit me the work. You will get marks. After 1 month, you will have your test will be there, na? So we will take class test, another test. For that, you have to study. Do you want to go to next standard, 6th standard? So for going to next standard, you have to complete your work. Likitesh, will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
You will. Okay, bye. Please do your work. Complete your work on time. Okay.
Ma'am, Ishant is asking something in the chat.
Who is asking? Anna. Ishant. Yes, Ishant is here. I guess. Ishant. I think he left. My
So he's
phone
not.
overheating. Arushi have doubt. Okay, time is up. What is my roll number? Ishant, your roll number will be given to you by Sir. Sir is your class teacher, na? He will tell you your roll number. Homework will be given in the WhatsApp group. Time is over.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, who is the fifth A class teacher, ma'am?
Fifth A, Ankush sir. Fifth A class teacher is Ankush sir. I am class teacher of fifth B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now, if you have doubt, anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
So kindly you can remove yourself.
He's saying that why I should listen to class and why I should learn.
What will you do while sitting idle at home? Listening to the class gives you knowledge. Okay.
Yes.
It will give you
That's
something. If you will sit like this, you will not get anything. Likitesh, if you will sit like this, you will not get anything. Listen to the classes, something or the other will you will get information about, like we are studying today of COVID-19. You can understand it and then you can give knowledge to others. After learning only you give to knowledge to others. Okay?
presenting, no, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, ma'am,
That
Manu is asking what is my roll number.
Fifth B, your roll numbers will be shared in the group. I'll tell you your new roll numbers. Okay? From our class, 3 students have taken the TC. So after removing them, I'll give you new roll numbers. Okay? Now you can remove.
okay, bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye. And please do join the classes. Okay?
Ma'am, he's crying.
Oh, don't make him cry. It's okay. Don't worry. He is small, na? He can say. Don't worry. Don't make him cry.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to tell him. He will understand. Okay?
Okay.